Hello, EDCI 700, Janet and Jody and Natalie. Dr. Palermo, it's the start of the fall semester, August 19th, and the Blackboard course is going live. Week one is not till next week, but we are going to be meeting in Goldsboro this coming weekend, August 24th and 25th. Same bat time, same bat channel. And I will see you at the Wayne Learning Center, 9 o'clock Saturday morning, August 24th for one of our last face-to-face sessions. Not much is new. I hope that you've had a couple of weeks off. I hope that you have accomplished some writing on your proposals. Janet, I saw that Lillian is back from Japan. Welcome back. And welcome back to your fall semester. What about this weekend do you need to know? Not a whole lot, but I hope that you have checked out the textbooks and that you are getting a hold of those. There are a couple of these small little texts that I would like to feature in our first face-to-face session. And if you have them with you, you don't have to have read them by this weekend, but if you have them with you, that'll be helpful. Old friends are repeated. You're doing your curriculum design projects, so the CDC, right, that part C, so make sure that you have your Ainsworth. You do not need to bring that to class. Do bring this little monograph, Good to Great in the Social Sectors. Collins is a theorist that you've probably heard of before, and we're going to pick a couple of important phrases from that book to enter into our language, get the right people on the bus. That Used to Be Us is an interesting little futuristic kind of view of, well, a view of our lifetimes in terms of U.S. prominence in the world and our decline. That Used to Be Us is a Friedman Mandelbaum book, and I'm probably going to have you facilitate something with that. You don't know, I have to have read that. Mindset is a book you might know, and bring that one with if you can. And I hope to spend a little bit of time in Naisbitt's Mindset. Also, what else is here? Morgan's Images of Organization. The name of this course is Theory Development, and we do want to talk about theories. And coming here at the end of the program, well, don't buy a new copy of Morgan, and make sure that you're able to sell this one back. You're either going to love this book and think that it's all that and a pack of crackers, or not. I know that many students like it, but others can't wait to sell it back. And School Culture Rewired. This one's important. Get this one and maybe keep it, but get a copy, used or new, of this one. We're going to use the surveys that are in this book. You're going to use them to assess the culture in your school for the OA2, and we need to talk about this one a little bit when you're in class with me this weekend. So School Culture Rewired is important. Is this one still on the... This one's not on the list anymore. Okay, well, so much for that. Bring your School Culture Rewired and the Collins book. I'm going to incorporate those. I'm also going to give you a kickoff with Morgan. So there's a lot of me this time. Our second session I have now converted to the CILD conference. We'll talk about that some more this weekend. And then the third session is going to be in November. And at that time, I would like to involve you in presenting about some of the texts in class. So we'll talk about that some more, but do, as usual, look over the course overview section. You do need to sign on and do the EVA for 711, your dissertation seminar, not for this course. I know you're here. What else is important here? Assignments. You may want to check out the assessment tab. There are 3 documents that you're going to write this fall. Is that right? No, just 2. OA2 and the CDPC. What about the impact statement? Well, we're going to talk about that and how the impact statement has evolved over the course of the EDCI program. And we'll see if, well, we're going to do some variation on that impact statement. And syllabus, text, calendar, assessment. Do check out the tabs here. Please do go on down to week 1, which is where I'm going to house this video. There's not a lot that I want you to do prior to coming to Goldsboro this weekend for the 24th and 25th. Do bring textbooks, do bring your electronic devices, do bring a sweater in case the air conditioning is freezing, and layered clothing that you can take off or put on as we need to. I look forward to seeing you this weekend in Goldsboro. Yeah, here we go. Last semester of coursework, and all 3 of you have a good start, running start on your dissertation proposal. So I'm excited to see you, excited to share your PLM again at the CILD conference, and look forward to a great final semester with you. Thanks. That's all for now. See you this weekend.